Now I'm going to show you how to give a comparative name lesson with Pink Tower. So comparative name lesson is bigger than and smaller than when it comes to these cards. Now make sure that you do not confuse by giving both the names in one sitting. So you can give the name lesson of bigger than on one day, and on another day when you know that the child is very clear with the concept of bigger than, then you can move to smaller than or vice versa. Okay. So right now I am going to show you smaller than. And the key is, if you're going to give smaller than on a particular day, you take the biggest card and isolate it first. And then you take two cards that are smaller than that. Remember, if your intention is to give the name lesson of smaller than, you start with the biggest card. And in case you're planning on giving bigger than, you start with the smallest card. Okay? Now watch the presentation. You have 3 cards isolated. And you ask the child, what is this? And the child is expected to say big. Next you will ask the child, what is this? And the child is expected to say small. Then you ask the child, what is this? And the child is again expected to say small. Okay? And then you say, yes, this is big and this is small and this is also small. But this is smaller than this and this is smaller than this. Shall I show you one more time? Yeah, this is big. And this card is smaller than this card. And this card is smaller than this card. This is the first period. So you make sure that the child got the concept. And then you start giving them the commands. The second period. So can you show me a card that is smaller than this card? Can you show me a card that is smaller than this card? Can you show me a card that is smaller than this card? Can you show me a card that is smaller than this card? The child has the right to say this or even this because both the cards are smaller than this card. Right? It doesn't mean when you ask that question the child has to only point to the adjacent card. No. Okay? So, I think you got the concept. So, that's the second period. And in the third period, again, what you have to do is make sure that you have 3 cards and you ask the child, so what is this, and what is this? So, this is comparative name lesson with Pink Tower cards.